Google dropped Gemini 3 Pro and it's insane. This thing builds websites, creates games, designs graphics, all from just typing words, no coding needed, no design skills required, just ideas. Today I'm showing you exactly how to use it. They added what they call agentic coding and vibe coding. What does that mean? It means you can tell Gemini 3 Pro to build something and it actually builds it, not just code snippets, full working projects, websites, apps, games. The AI acts like an agent. It figures out what needs to be done and does it. They also added a thinking mode. When you turn this on, Gemini 3 Pro takes more time to reason through problems. The output is sharper, better formatted, more accurate, and there are new tools built in. Function calling, structured output, image generation, image editing, code execution. This isn't a chat assistant anymore, this is a platform for building. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. All right, let's build some stuff. I'm going to show you exactly what prompts to use for each tool. These are real prompts you can copy and use today. First up, building a landing page with Gemini's code generation. Here's the prompt. Create a complete landing page for a meal prep delivery service called Fresh Fuel. Include a hero section with headline meal prep made simple and sub-headline healthy meals delivered to your door every week. Add a how it works section with 3 steps. Choose your plan. We cook fresh, delivered to you. Include a menu section showing 6 popular meals with images, placeholders, and short descriptions. Add a pricing section with 3 tiers, basic 5 meals, standard 10 meals, premium 15 meals with prices. Include customer testimonials section with 3 reviews. Add a FAQ section with 5 common questions and answers. Include a contact form at the bottom with fields for name, email, phone, and preferred delivery day. Use fresh green and white colors. Make it fully responsive for mobile and tablet. Output complete HTML and CSS code. This prompt gets you a professional meal prep website that's ready to launch. Gemini generates clean HTML with proper semantic structure. The CSS is modern with flexbox and grid layouts. Everything is organized in logical sections. The color scheme is applied consistently throughout. You get a hero section that grabs attention, a clear how it works section that explains the service, and a menu section that showcases the food. The pricing is laid out in easy to compare cards. The testimonials add social proof. The FAQ answers common objections before people even ask. What's incredible is the mobile responsiveness. Gemini adds all the media queries automatically. The layout shifts perfectly on smaller screens. Text sizes adjust. Images resize. Buttons stay tappable. Navigation becomes mobile friendly. This is the kind of detail work that takes hours to get right manually. You get it instantly. And the code is clean. No messy inline styles, no repeated CSS. Everything is organized logically. You could hand this to any developer and they'd understand it immediately. The contact form includes proper structure with labels and input fields. The FAQ section uses semantic HTML. The testimonials have a clean card layout. This isn't just code that works, it's code that's built the right way. Professional, maintainable, ready for a real business to use. Now let's talk about the AI Profit Boardroom. If you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with tools like Gemini 3 Pro, that's exactly what we cover. We show you how to use AI to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with automation. You'll learn advanced prompts, workflows, and strategies that actually work. The link is in the description. Join us there. So back to it second, building a simple game. Here's the prompt. Create a browser-based memory card game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The game should have 16 cards face down in a 4x4 grid. When clicked, cards flip over to reveal emojis. There are 8 pairs of matching emojis. If 2 flipped cards match, they stay face up. If they don't match, they flip back face down after 1 second. Track the number of moves and display it. When all pairs are found, show a congratulations message with total moves and a play again button. Use a dark blue background with white cards. Add smooth flip animations. Make it responsive for mobile. Provide complete code in a single HTML file that I can save and run in my browser. You get a fully working memory game with smooth animations and game logic. The card flip animation looks professional. The matching logic works perfectly. The move counter updates in real time. The win condition triggers properly. This is a complete playable game that you can share with friends or use in a portfolio. The code includes all the JavaScript for shuffling cards, handling clicks, checking matches, and resetting the game. Everything is contained in one file, so you just save it and open it. No build process, no dependencies, just pure HTML, CSS, and JSV. The styling is clean and modern. The cards have hover effects, so you know they're clickable. The flip animation uses CSS transforms for smooth 3D rotation. The grid layout is responsive, so it works on phones and tablets. The congratulations message appears with a nice fade-in effect. The play again button resets everything and shuffles the cards for a new game. This is the kind of polish that makes a game feel professional. What makes this powerful is you can customize it instantly. Want different emojis? Tell Gemini, want a 6x6 grid instead, change the prompt. Want a timer counting down? Add that detail. Gemini updates the entire game logic to match. You're not locked into one version. You can iterate and improve based on what you want. Third, using Nano Banana Pro to create marketing images for your landing page. Here's the prompt. Generate a hero section background image for my meal prep landing page. Show fresh, colorful, healthy meal prep containers arranged neatly on a clean white kitchen counter. Include grilled chicken, brown rice, steamed broccoli, and sweet potatoes in separate compartments. Bright natural window lighting from the left. Professional food photography style, appetizing and fresh looking. Top-down angle. Vibrant greens and warm food tones. High resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels, suitable for website hero background. Now you're building visual assets for the landing page you just created. Nano Banana Pro generates a professional food photography shot that makes your meal prep service look premium. The colors are vibrant and appetizing. The lighting makes the food look fresh and delicious. The composition is clean and organized, just like meal prep should be. This isn't stock photography that looks generic. This is custom created for your specific business. You can drop this directly into your hero section and it matches your brand perfectly. The quality rivals professional food. The vegetables look crisp. The chicken looks perfectly cooked. The portions look healthy and balanced. The white containers and counter create a clean aesthetic that says fresh and organized. This image sells the product before people even read your headline. Visual content is everything for food businesses, and you just created it in seconds. And here's the power move. You can generate your entire image library, create images for each meal on your menu, generate different angles, create lifestyle shots of people eating the meals, build Instagram content, make Facebook ads, generate email header images, all with Nano Banana Pro, all matching your brand, all custom for your business. You're building a complete visual identity from text prompts. Fourth, using Veo to create a promo video for your memory card game. Here's the prompt. Create a promotional video showing gameplay of a memory card matching game. Start with a close-up of cards face down on a dark blue game board. Show 2 cards flipping over, revealing matching emoji symbols with smooth animation. The cards glow briefly when they match. Camera slowly zooms out to reveal the full game board with more cards. Text overlay appears saying test your memory in white text. End with all cards face down ready to play. Modern gaming aesthetic with neon blue and purple accents, smooth transitions, 1920 by 1080 resolution at 30 frames per second. Veo generates a slick promotional video for your game that looks like a professional game trailer. The card flip animations are smooth and satisfying. The matching effect with the glow gives it polish. The camera movement adds cinematic quality. The text overlay is timed perfectly. This is the kind of promo content you'd use on social media to get people interested in playing. You built the game with code. Now you built the marketing video to promote it. Complete package. The video quality is professional enough to use anywhere. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook ads, App Store preview if you turn this into a mobile game. The neon aesthetic makes it look modern and engaging. The slow zoom out reveals the full game, which shows scope without overwhelming viewers. The text overlay drives the call to action. This is content designed to convert views into players. What you just did is insane. You built a complete product launch. You coded the game. You created the promo video. If you add the Nano Banana Pro thumbnail and some social posts, you have everything needed to launch and market a game from zero to complete marketing package in under an hour. This is the power of Gemini 3 Pro. You're not just building one thing, you're building entire ecosystems of content. 4 different tools, 4 different outputs, all from text prompts. You built a website, created a game, generated a professional photo, made a cinematic video, no special skills required, just clear descriptions of what you want. The barrier to creation is gone. You don't need to be a coder to build websites. You don't need to be a developer to make games. You don't need to be a photographer to get stunning images. You don't need to be a videographer to create cinematic footage. You just need ideas and the ability to describe them. If you want to dive deeper into using AI tools like Gemini 3 Pro to automate and scale your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We cover everything from automation workflows to using AI for customer acquisition. You'll learn how to save hundreds of hours and get more customers using the latest AI tools. Advanced prompts, real strategies, actual results. The link is in the description. Come join us. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.